Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day in class we ended up talking a bit about parenting. And one of my students mentioned the fact that it's really important for parents to present a united front. In other words, if one parent says no, for example, to a child's request, it's really important that the other parent backs them up and also says no, instead of caving in under pressure when the kid starts pestering them for something. If both parents say no, they present a united front and the child knows where they stand. If one parent caves in and gives the kid what they want, the kid then realises that in future they can exploit this weakness because this particular parent is a soft touch. If you describe someone as being a soft touch or a bit of a soft touch, you mean that they're someone that's easy to control or manipulate, someone that's easy to get things from. So maybe your dad might have been quite strict when you were growing up, but once he becomes a grandfather, suddenly he turns into a bit of a soft touch and indulges his grandchildren. Happens quite a lot. In class, if students think that a teacher is a bit of a soft touch, they can be ruthless. It's a bit like smelling blood and moving in for the kill and ripping the poor teacher to pieces. Maybe you've got friends who are a bit of a soft touch, who you can go to when you're desperate for money because you know that even though your other friends will tell you to get lost, this particular friend is a bit of a soft touch and will always lend you a few quid. You also sometimes hear it used to talk about the government, for example. So you might complain that the government is a soft touch for private companies and that it's the taxpayer that ends up picking up the bill for all of this generosity towards the private sector. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use a soft touch.